Good day viewers, I am Stephen Akunito from Kaduna Polytechnic from the Department of Survey and Informatics. From our previous tutorial series video, we've learned on how to create three-dimensional maps and to overlay planimetric map and three-dimensional map. So for today's own, we'll try to create a watershed map in which it will show the lowest parts and the draining system of that terrain. So to continue on that tutorials, we go to our software Sufer. So this was the three-dimension map and the overlay that we did in our previous video. So to create our watershed map, we click on this watershed icon. So watershed map, we click on it, and we are still using that contour data which we created earlier. So I click on it and I open. Now this is the view of the contour shade map. Let me keep it to one side. So from my contour shade map, I have it. So let me close the grid of the contour shade map. I uncheck the right axis, same to the left, same to the top, and also same to the bottom. So to continue editing, I go to my general, so I can also increase the thresholds, that is the streams in which the panels or the channels in which water can easily drain on this terrain. So I can increase them to show more details by increasing the threshold cells. So let me make it 600, 500, 100. You see the increment. Let's leave it as 100. So now to show this color basin, I can close it, say none. So now these are the threshold, these are the stream in which water will flow, the channels in which water will flow. So let me go back to my stream. Let me increase the width of the line. So to increase the width of the line, I increase it by clicking on this. You see the lines are increased. So now I have created the channels in which water will likely flow on this three-dimensional terrain. So to overlay this watershed map and this three-dimensional map, I go to my edit and I click select all, and I go to my map. I go down to my overlay maps. You see the two have been overlaid, the two maps has been overlaid. So to view it clearly, I zoom my map. So from our previous tutorial, I told you that this region is the lowest part of the terrain, and there is a saying that water flow from a higher region to the lower region. So you can see all water channels flows from higher point to this point, which is what the lowest part of the terrain. So I've created and I've also merged the watershed map to the three dimension. So this has given a very good view, and also you have given a very good information to any client which you want to produce, or you want to create a survey report or a survey analysis, you've created a very good information using this software. So I can save my software, I can save my information which I have produced as PDF file and also print for the hard copy. So to save it, let me give it a name, a title, 3-dimension map. So highlight, I increase the size, and I OK. And also I can drag it to this. I can edit it by double clicking on it. I increase the size. Let's take it to 50 to be bold enough, and also click on bold and OK. It's better this way. I drag it to this. Now I've created a 3-dimension map. I can also bring out the bar scale by clicking on map, go down to add, clicking on the map itself, go down to add, clicking on the map, go down to add scale bar. Can increase the size of the scale bar to be big enough. Can also create a rectangular border. So now for me to save my map, I come down to my file and click on export. Now I'm exporting it as PDF in this time. So I find the PDF. Let's save it as vector PDF. So let's save it as 3-dimension map, 3D map, and we are still saving it on our Sufer tutorials folder. So I save and I check OK. It is reading below here. It has been saved. So I close. I can go to my folder. This is it here. I can open with Adobe Reader. As it views, I can print. So you can save your work as PDF and also print your work. Thank you for viewing. Thank you for watching. I hope you've learned a lot. I still remain Stephen Akuneto, Survey and Informatics from Kaduna Polytechnic and SGA Survey.